After John's car was damaged, he realized he needed better protection. His insurance agent, Michelle, suggested a dashcam. John asked his friend David, who works at an electronics store, for help. David knows a lot about car technology and dashcams. We installed a dashcam on my car today in the parking lot near John's apartment. David carefully attached the small camera to the windshield and connected all the wires properly. The installation took about 30 minutes, and the dashcam was ready to use. John is very excited about his new security device. The camera is very useful because it will record any accidents or suspicious activities around his car. Now John feels much safer when he parks his car anywhere. He wishes he had bought this camera before his car was damaged last week.